This is your Data Science Minute, and today I'd like to share how my applied statistics degree has helped me in data science. I've been a data scientist for a long time now, and when I went to school for this, there were no dedicated data science programs like they are now. Applied statistics was the closest you could get. I mention this because you might live in a part of the country or a part of the world where a data science program is not available to you. So a master's in statistics or applied statistics might be something that you might want to look into. I'll never forget that the first day of my applied statistics courses, the instructor gave us a two-page list of the different applied statistics techniques that we were going to learn throughout the semester. So there were things like confidence intervals were on there, or t-tests were on there, z-tests were on there, things along those lines. And I remember that the professor emphasized how these are all just tools. You're building a toolbox, and each one of the lines represented a tool inside your toolbox. And 90% of the work in applied statistics is just knowing which one of those tools to apply to the problem that's in front of you. That was 100% true now, and it's been true all throughout my career. And you can think about that throughout your career, because when you learn new data science techniques, you read a new white paper, something along those lines, you're just adding to your set of tools, and then you're understanding what they do, and then you're looking to apply them to those different problems as they come up. So applied statistics has really kind of helped me have that mindset to be able to know what problems I can solve with what tool. It also helped me to recognize that not every problem out there is a data science problem. A lot of the things your stakeholders will approach you with that they think are data science problems are really just advanced math or advanced statistics. Obviously, you can still help them, but they're not really data science, and that has been beneficial to understand also. If you'd like more data science leadership content, please click on like and follow below.